It's November on the plot, and here are some jobs that you can be doing. If you sowed some broad beans last month, now's the time to start planting them out. We're planting ours in the polytunnel, about 23 centimetres or 9 inches apart. Once you've planted, give them a good water, and these will go on and crop earlier than any planted outside. Probably from the end of May you should start picking some lovely pods. November's your last chance to plant autumn planting onions, varieties such as electric. If your soil's very wet, you could plant into pots instead. Those will sit through the winter, just ticking over, producing roots to shoot away quickly in the spring. So they'll give you a slightly earlier crop than those that you might plant in the spring. But if you've got a heavy soil, leave it until then. If you sowed some green manures, such as this buckwheat, in September, then it should be about big enough now to dig in before it gets too large and too woody. And this will add some nice bulky organic matter to your soil, and the worms and everything else will soon break it down and enrich the soil for you. If you've got some potted herbs, now's a good time to lift them and bring them indoors into a cold greenhouse or polytunnel. It just gives them that little bit of extra protection from the weather, so that the leaves stay in good condition for cooking. If you've got some mint outside, lift that and pot it up. It will normally go dormant in the winter, but if you put it inside, you might just get a few shoots early in the season for cooking.